Today, we review the best GoPro accessories kit that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Generic Accessory Kit. This accessories kit of GoPro features high-quality 33 pieces kit for GoPro that includes bicycle handlebar, seat post clamp, GoPro Hero 3, 2/1 2x flat mounts, 2x curved mounts with adhesive pads and many other kits which are essential. These kits come in just one bundle with a great price that you might surprise. Moreover, all of these GoPro kits are pretty essential for shooting and they allow you to take pictures using your GoPro in. All of the items are made from rugged ABS plastics with metal core and metal threads. All in all, this is the best GoPro accessory kit that you should give it a try.
Number 2.
Black Pro Basic Common Outdoor Sports Kit. This GoPro kit stands on the best-selling list and even be rated 4.3 out of 5 stars. It is a special set for GoPro accessory kit that features 13 high-quality and convenient items. With the chest strap allows you to wear the GoPro camera attaches to your chest safely and comfortably. Moreover, it is adjustable to every size from large to small size. Moreover, it also features a headband that adjusts with all sizes and fits well with your GoPro camera. With the floating grip, mount plus long screw keeps your GoPro with a waterproof shell and floats easily on the water. The other items are new designs are made perfectly to fit well as work with your GoPro.
Number 3.
Baxia Technology Accessories. Baxia is a set of GoPro accessories that are essential for every GoPro user. This set features many items including shockproof carrying case, head belt strap mount, chest belt strap mount, helmet strap mount, and so on. For the chest belt strap mount is comfortable to wear and can be adjusted to every size easily. Moreover, it has a high-quality monopod handhold mount, tripod mount adapter, long screw bolt which is designed to deal with distance and height issues. Furthermore, the car suction cup mount holder, surface quick release buckle as well as long screw bolt allow you to place your GoPro in any car position. Additionally, with shockproof carrying case, you don't have to worry about your items will be involved with water anymore. The other items are all perfectly made to work with your GoPro.
Number 4.
LotFancy 11-in-1 Bundle Combo Kit. LotFancy is a kit of fancy GoPro accessories which are pretty useful for shooting activities. This set features several important items at an affordable price. It includes handlebar seat post suction holder adhesive mount, adjustment base chest belt, head strap floating grip, handle monopod and more. With the adjustable head, the strap allows you to attach and use GoPro on the top of your head. Moreover, the chest harness strap belt allows you to shoot and record steadily while placing your camera in your chest. All items are very useful and made perfectly with high-quality materials that add durability. Each item is rated at high points by customers.
Number 5.
Zookki Outdoor Sports Accessories. Being rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, this GoPro accessories kit is considered as the best GoPro accessories bundle that you can rely on. This set features 40 different items that allow you to start your shooting easily in various ways. It has everything. All of the accessories are made of high-quality material. With the monopod handhold mount, you can elongate and shorten. Shooting on your own in different lengths and angles is not a big deal anymore when you own this.